Well, it's the end of the peas. This is my third succession of peas, and I'm one of these people, I really don't like tidying up after I've been gardening. So I really like the way that I do the peas. I just get these stakes, loop bits of string round, grow the peas up between the strings, and the beauty of it is when it comes time to clear up, you just snip through the strings. The whole thing just falls down nice and neat on the floor. Trim off the bottom, bundle it all up and stick it in the compost, and obviously the strings all compost down quite nicely. I love it. It's such a great way to grow peas, so nice and easy. And I like doing it like this as well, so that I've got the whole bed in front of me here. So there I've got my shallots, and they've grown really nicely. I'm going to take those out today as well, and I'll lay those down on the grass so you can see them before I start to put them into dry. And I think I'm going to plant spinach in that little bed, but not today. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment Channel, and I'll see you soon.